Hello guys, Igor here, doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Carousify, a tool that claims to create LinkedIn carousels and posts from videos, PDFs and prompts, then schedule and track results. So it's a tool that has AI writing to create your text prompts and also to schedule and create your carousels for your LinkedIn. The best tier here is the tier 2 because you're gonna get the integrations, custom users, MCP access, LinkedIn page, etc. For having webhooks and white label, you need the tier 3, and the tier 1 is pretty basic with 30,000 credits. Let's take a look. Here you have the dashboard, and you can see their carousels templates. I'm going to show you. If you want to change it, just click on it. So it's fully translatable. Click here as well. Translatable. You can change the size in square size. So technically it will work for Instagram as well. You can use the smart carousel feature. The tool is fully customizable to your brand. You can preview. There's a post generator. You can generate from audio, generate from content. So upload your content that they will generate the getting an article URL. Let's test it. You can write a new post. So you write it here and click here on to publish. You have an AI assistant to rephrase, improve writing, fix grammar, generate hashtag, make longer, make shorter. There is a content calendar where you can create posts to a specific day. The posts, you can write the new post, you can generate from audio, you can generate from content, you can share booking sites, generate from PDF, generate from YouTube, from topic of interest, share research learning, or share favorite tool. So they have, as you can see here, templates where you can just fill out the form and then click on generate post. There's also an analytic feature, created posts, and so on. So that's Carousify, a tool that creates carousels for you with their templates and posts on as you can see, they have many templates, a lot of templates from different colors. So I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.